So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first, I thought it was just another one of her quirky habits. But then I started noticing she was looking really toned and energetic, and I was intrigued. She explained to me that the gelatin trick is all about incorporating gelatin into your daily routine, like adding it to your morning smoothie or making a warm drink with it before bed. Apparently, the gelatin helps to, get things moving in your digestive system, which can make a big difference in how you feel and even help with weight loss. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, saying it's helped her wake up without that heavy, bloated feeling, and I have to admit, I'm curious to try it out for myself. The gelatin trick seems like such a simple, easy thing to add to your daily routine, but it can make a real difference in how you feel. If you want to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to start using it, check out the link in my description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips on getting started with the gelatin trick. Give the gelatin trick a try and see how it can help you feel lighter and more energized, and let's chat about it in the comments.